Inversion with should, Conditionals Simplified. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on intermediate grammar. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English conditionals: inversion with should. Inversion might seem tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's an excellent tool to make your English sound more sophisticated and natural. So, buckle up and let's dive into it. Before we dive into should, let's clarify what we mean by inversion. In normal English sentences, the subject comes before the verb, like, I am eating. But in an inverted sentence, the verb comes before the subject, as in, never have I seen such a beautiful sunset. This switch is called inversion. It's used in several situations in English, but today we're focusing on its use in conditional sentences with should. Conditional sentences express a condition and its possible result. The inversion with should is usually used in conditional sentences to give a hypothetical or unlikely scenario a sense of formality or dramatic effect. A typical conditional sentence might be, if I should fail, please carry on without me. Here, should is used to express a possibility. But if we apply inversion, the sentence becomes, should I fail, please carry on without me. The meaning stays the same, but there's a slight change in tone. It's a bit more formal, a bit more dramatic. Here's how to form a sentence with inversion and should. 1. Start with should. 2. Add your subject. 3. Follow with the verb in base form. 4. Complete the sentence as usual. So, should plus subject plus base form of verb plus. Remember that we don't use inversion in the result clause of the sentence, only in the conditional clause. That's why it's, should I fail, please carry on, and not, should I fail, should you carry on. Now, let's practice together. Try to convert these sentences from regular conditionals to inverted ones. 1. If I should see him, I will tell him. 2. If you should need help, call me. 3. If they should arrive early, start without them. Did you manage to convert them? The answers should be: 1. Should I see him, I will tell him. 2. Should you need help, call me. 3. Should they arrive early, start without them. And that's it for today's lesson on inversion with should in conditional sentences. We hope this video made this topic clearer for you. Remember, practicing is the key to mastering any new language structure, so make sure to create some sentences of your own. See you in the next video. Happy learning!